Hello students, myself Abhishek Das. I am a vocational trainer of Gadam High School of Electronics. My training provider is Orion EduTech Private Limited. Our topic is servicing and repairing parts of juicer. Now let's start the topic. Repairing of juicer includes servicing or repairing speed controls, servicing or repairing gears, servicing or repairing motor. The following sections will show the way these services can be performed. If you want to test and replace a switch, the procedure is given below. Step 1. Carefully remove the housing around the switch to expose the backside of the switch. Second step is check the terminals on the switch to ensure that the wires from the appliance are fully attached to the switch. The third step is mark the terminal wires for position and disconnect them. The fourth step is use a continuity tester or multitester to determine if switch is faulty. If it is, replace it and reconnect the terminal wires as shown in figure. If you want to replace a fuse, the steps are given below. First step is remove the housing and access the motor. Second point is disconnect the overload switch from the motor. Third point is use a continuity tester to test the overload switch as shown in the figure. Fourth point is replace if it is defective. Fifth point is reassemble the housing. Next, if you want to replace a motor, the steps are given below. First, remove the housing and access the motor. Next is disconnect the fuse from the motor. Third is use continuity tester to test the motor winding. Fourth point is replace the motor if it is defective. The final point is reassemble the housing as shown in the figure. Our next topic is troubleshooting juicer problems. Some frequently occurring juicer problems and their solutions are discussed below. Repairing or servicing the juicer. The steps of repairing a juicer are given below. Our next topic is servicing the juicer drive system. The following figure lists the steps of servicing the juicer drive system. Number 1. Disassemble the juicer. Number 2. Access the gear assembly. Number 3. Detach the gears and spindle. Number 4. Clean the gears. Number 5. Check for damaged parts. Number 6. Replace damaged parts. Number 7. Apply silicone lubricant to the gears. Number 8. Reassemble the unit. These are all about servicing and repairing parts of juicer and troubleshooting juicer problems. Thanks for watching.